And we're back. Oh, sweet Jesus. I officially am out of ideas.
Mátalo.
Right, get that sword.
Ahí está.
Throw a grenade down there. Wait for them all to round up.
Allí están.
Whoa, yeah! Got some 2 grenades? Well, I'm cool with it. Oi, 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 oi. Lewis!
Leon!
Lewis!
Lewis! I've
Got something for you guys. Oh, shit!
What? Oh, shit! I must
Must
have dropped it when
it
I was
when
running
they
away from
them.
them.
Dropped what?
What?
A drug that'll stop your convulsions.
He's like, what?
I know you're carriers. You've been coughing up blood, right?
Not
Yeah.
in the usual
Yeah.
way.
Yes.
Damn it. The eggs have hatched. We don't have much time.
What are you talking about?
I have to go back and get it.
Let me come with you.
No. You stay here with Leon.
He is
He's
better with the ladies. I am sure.
Why are you... It makes me feel better. Let's just leave it at that.
I always kind of like Lewis. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk away.
Wait. Follow me. Wait.
Because if you say, wait, follow me, the enemies hear that and they come rushing to your aid. Come on, bro. Alright, they're opening a door. I can hear them. Any minute now. Yeah, there we go. Grab me. No! You don't have your arm. How dare you? Come on, stupid whore.
Follow me.
Run. No! Stand still. Make it easier for them. Come on. Nope, that's not good. Ashley, you're an idiot. Just want to point that out for you. Fuck. Better. Wow, she's actually...
Oh, no.
What do you want me to do to that? Oh. Oh my god. Suddenly I remember why everybody hates her.
I am just going to stand here completely still so everybody can kill me.
You know, like a normal person. Fuck. Muere. Whoa! Saw Mace. That's not good.
Follow me.
Or stay still, of course, yeah, because you're actually fucking idiot, moron, loser. Oh, I'm out of flashbangs. It's never good. Fuck you, oh, you've gotta be fucking. Fuck. I can see this becoming a problem. A big problem. Oh my god. There's probably a ton of enemies here. Yep.
Wait.
Usually 2 archers, yeah. Oh, you fucking retard, it's just a table. It's not that hard to frickin' move around. Good. Yes, that's a door. Good. And this is a boomstick. Alright, that's one problem less. Oh my god. Alright, Roy, look at it this way. A few more. Come on. There we go. Oh. Yummy. How much ammo are we living on? Oh, enough. Grenades are not looking good. It's gonna be 2 shieldies. Could have used the barrel for him. What? I was... Damn it. Oh, this is going so well. Yes. Because I could have done so much better.